How to make your Twitter account private. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can make your Twitter account private. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to log in your Twitter account. So now once you are in, as you can see that once you are in the home page there is the many various options. So you have to click on the more, and from here you have to go on the settings and the support. Now you have to tap on the settings and the privacy. Now once you are in, as you can see that here is also many various options. So what you have to do is simply click on this privacy and the safety. Now you have to go on the audience, media and the tagging, and from here as you can see that here is the option of the manage your information that other people see in your X account. So what you have to do is simply enable this icon of the protect your post. Now this will make them visible only to your X followers, like only your approved followers will be able to see your post. So you just have to enable this and you have to go on the photo tagging, but it is automatically toggle off when you switch on this protect your post icon. So this is the only way that you can make your Twitter account private. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.